So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-dark mode sa ating ChatGPT app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating ChatGPT app. So ayan guys, pagka-open, itatap lang natin dito yung two horizontal lines na nandito sa may upper left corner. So parang pumunta tayo dito sa pinakang profile. So itatap nyo naman dito guys is yung inyong profile name na nandito sa baba. So ayan guys, dito sa settings, itatap lang natin dito is yung personalization. So dito sa personalization, pwede nyo nang itap or piliin yung color scheme. So dito sa color scheme guys, may magpa-pop up na option. So dito, pwede nyo nang i-dark mode yung inyong ChatGPT. So kung makikita nyo guys, naka-system default siya, which is naka-light mode. So para maging dark mode, itap lang natin yung dark. And then tap natin yung okay para ma-continue. So, ayun guys, kung makikita nyo, naka-dark mode na yung ating ChatGPT. So, ayun lang guys, ganun na kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-dark mode sa ating ChatGPT app. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.